During the Assembly session proceedings today, the Chief Minister, Conrad Sangma, on behalf of the MDA government, responded to the no-confidence motion tabled by the Leader of the Opposition and supported by 10 other members.
I'm here just to give a broad idea of how we are doing as a state and how we're taking forward. And it's very surprising, sir, that to see that the opposition has mentioned a lot of points about the state government right now, not looking back at how things have been during their time and how things have improved during our time. And today, sir, in fact, the Honorable LO has been mentioning that we should all realize that what is happening and we should go for this motion. So on the contrary, I will say that you should realize now that how much this government is doing, and all of you from there also should support this government for the work that we're doing. They have said that we have failed. They said we had failed. If we have failed, sir, then how come there is no abduction of civilians from 210 during that time to 0 today? 0. How come, sir, if we have failed, how did we manage to lift the ban on coal, which they could not do for the past 4 years during that time? If we have failed, then how come the COVID numbers are the lowest in the country today in our state? If we have failed, then how come we have started the assembly project, which they could not do for the past 20 years? If we have failed, how come we are investing 1,300 crores in education? If we have failed, how did we get to 1,700 crores for PMGSY? Sir, if we have failed, how are these 40 MLAs supporting this government today, sir, I ask? If we have failed, they have supporting us today, sir. And if we have failed, sir, why did the Public Affairs Index of 2020 rank us as the second best governed state in the country today, sir? So therefore, using big words and connecting dots that could be from this angle to that angle and creating your own story for it doesn't make any sense, sir. Let us look at the facts. Let us see what is there on the ground. Let us see and accept. Let us accept it, sir. So the members from the opposition should have a big heart. They should accept that yes, there is development taking place. Yes, there is work happening. There's nothing wrong. You don't have to be shy for it. But we are here open to listen to your suggestions and take your suggestions and make sure that we move forward in that. So therefore, sir, with these few words, I once again would like to urge the honorable members from the opposition to withdraw this motion, and I would urge them, in fact, to support this government and be part of this great story of Meghalaya, of this transformation that is taking place, and be a part of the productive way in which we can make a difference in the lives of our people and our citizens and our state as a whole. With these few words, sir, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, called upon the House to vote for or against the motion, where it was witnessed that the number of votes stood in favour of those against the motion.
So may I know now, final please. Let me not repeat the same thing again and again. What is the mind of the mover, whether he will withdraw this motion or not?
The opposition is collective in its decision not to withdraw because government seems to be not willing to come up clean. Thank you, sir.
Since the mover has not withdrawn his motion, now I will put the motion to the vote of the House. The question is that the no confidence be passed. Those who are in favor of the motion, say aye. Aye. Those who are against, say no. No. I think the noes have it, and the no confidence motion is lost.